Okay, hi, today is March the 28th, and the code word is Mike Eimer, and I'm going to do a demonstration of a few on-off cycles of the Zilla HV for sale. So first of all, I want to say that I have a battery voltage pack of 14 batteries connected, and the current propulsion pack voltage is 164.5. As you can see, it's 164.5 on the battery side of the contactor, but 13 volts on the other side. So no power to the Zilla. Okay, now let me power up the hairball with 12 volt supply. Camera to terminal, please. Okay. Now, camera to me, please. I'm going to input the 12 volts into the key input supply. Okay, camera to terminal. And the state is 1312, which is a valid idle state, waiting for the start input. Okay, camera to hairball. And camera to me. I'm going to put the start input. Okay. Now we've started up the Zilla. Put the probes on my multimeter across the S inputs for the motor. Let's do this. Negative over there. Okay, and then camera to fluke. Okay, I'm going to actuate the potentiometer, and you should see the voltage, the motor voltage, climb to the approximately 160 volts. Okay, I'll ease off on the potentiometer, and I'll go back down to 0. Now I'll put back on the potentiometer, and now I'll ease off again. Okay, and camera to terminal, please. And as you can see, the state is 1314. 1314 is a valid idle state. 1314, camera to me. 1314 is waiting for throttle input. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the key input so that the contactor turns off. But first I'm going to show you the voltage across the contactor. Okay, camera to me, please. Now this should read the full voltage. There you go, 163 across both terminals of the contactor. Now, to remove the key input signal from Zilla. There you go. Now it's turned off as if you had turned off your key. Okay? Now let's do that cycle one more time. Okay, camera on hairball, please. Okay. And start signal. ready to go. And let's do the potentiometer revving one more time. And first we're going to measure the supply voltage at the contactor. It should be full voltage. There you go, 163. Now I'm going to put the probes on the motor terminals of the controller. With my left hand, I'll move the potentiometer. Okay. 163, 0, 163, 0. Okay. Now, let's remove the key input to turn the contactor off again. Camera to me. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to remove 12 volt power. And that should be the end of our demonstration. Thank you for watching.